Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Alexa to your Samsung SmartThings hub, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by ensuring that your Samsung SmartThings hub is set up and connected to your Wi-Fi network. Make sure that your Alexa device is powered on and connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your SmartThings hub. Open the SmartThings app on your smartphone or tablet. Log into your Samsung account if you haven't already done so. Tap on the menu icon, usually located in the upper left corner of the app. Select Devices from the menu options. Locate the device you want to control with Alexa by scrolling through your list of connected devices. Once you find the device, tap on it to open its settings. Check to ensure that the device is responding properly within the SmartThings app. Next, exit the SmartThings app and open the Alexa app on your smartphone or tablet. Log into your Amazon account if prompted. From the main screen, tap on the device's icon at the bottom right corner. In the Devices section, tap on the plus sign or Add Device at the top right corner. Select Add Device from the options presented. Scroll down and choose Smart Home as the category of devices to add. Next, select SmartThings from the list of available smart home services. You will be prompted to sign in to your Samsung account. Enter your Samsung account credentials and tap Sign In. Allow Alexa permission to access your SmartThings devices by tapping Authorize. After authorization, Alexa will Once the search is complete, your SmartThings devices should appear in the Alexa app. To confirm successful integration, select a device from the list and tap on it. Test the device by issuing a voice command through your Alexa device. If the command is executed successfully, you have successfully connected Alexa to your Samsung SmartThings hub. If you encounter issues, double-check your. For advanced functionalities, explore routines in the Alexa app to automate device control. Enjoy the convenience of controlling your SmartThings devices with Alexa. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.